When you're investing in your home, whether it's new construction or renovation, you want products that will stand the test of time. That's especially true of your roof. The roof is a crucial part of your home and often a significant investment. So take the time to ensure the roof you choose will help keep your home safe and secure for decades to come. The folks at DaVinci Roofscapes stand behind their polymer shake and slate roofing tiles because they've tested every aspect of the product in their laboratory. When they claim that their roofing tiles are fire resistant, impact resistant, wind resistant, and impervious to freeze and thaw conditions, it's because they've subjected their tiles to rigorous scientific tests. Take a look. That's pretty impressive, but you know what? I got to see this for myself, so I thought we'd conduct some tests of our own. One of the key attributes that sets DaVinci polymer tiles apart is their fire resistance. All their tiles are Class A fire rated. Now, especially in areas prone to wildfires, wooden roofs, they're just a bad idea. Because of the concern for wildfire spread, some communities have made the decision that when it's time to replace an old cedar shake roof, they do it with an alternative that won't promote flame spread. DaVinci Cedar Shake looks just like the real thing, but they're much safer than real cedar. Now, we've got a polymer tile right here from DaVinci, so let's put it to the test with some flame. Let's see how it responds. We want to get it to flame up. It's not even holding a flame right now. Take it away, nothing. You know, if I did that to the real thing, first of all, look how quick it flames up. DaVinci polymer tiles are also impact resistant. I'm going to check that out with one of their polymer slate tiles. We're going to start with a baseball bat. Batter up. One more time. Not a crack in there. Let's step it up a little bit. Still in great shape. Of course, cold weather makes materials like this brittle, and I prepared a tile to test how DaVinci handles freezing temperatures. I've had this roofing tile in the freezer for over 24 hours, and it is cold. All right, so let's say it's freezing outside, a branch breaks out of a tree and hits your roof. Still in great shape. I've got one more idea though. Meet me outside. We're going to put this polymer slate tile to the ultimate test. Here we go. Look, they're just like new. That's amazing. DaVinci polymer roofing tiles. They're put to the test so your home will be safe and secure for decades.